Well, we're back from hunting. We went scoured some ponds after hunting, and really nothing. A couple pairs of mallards swimming around, but birds ain't here like they should be. Seen a group of about 6 mallards, 2 or 3 singles, the 9 o'clock bird. And as we was leaving, I seen a big flock, about 20 or so, fly up the lake, but it was way too far. I just barely seen them. So, yeah, that's about all came in around us. Was 6 and like 1 high flyer. That was the 9 o'clock bird. So, if you guys like these videos, hit the subscribe button, like it, and I will see you guys in the next one. What is up, you guys? We're out here duck hunting on the lake once again. We got decoys all right here. We'll show you at daylight when it gets a little bit more light. Yeah, let's see what goes on. Well, right here's our decoy spread. We got 2 goose floaters and a dozen mallards and a mojo that doesn't work. What do you think about it?
Well, what time is it?
8 o'clock.
Well, we're usually in here about 7:45 and we ain't seen a duck fly, bud. I guess.
Bunch of turkeys back there.
I guess we'll just wait on the turkeys.
Yeah, bunch of turkeys back there carrying on. But anyway, this is what we're looking at. Bunch of seagulls over there. Alright. Buddy's right there. He's gonna walk to that holler right there. We've seen 2 divers come over here, but they took off and flew to that holler. So that's what we're gonna do. We haven't seen much. 4 ducks is all we've seen. Them 2 is the closest ones we've seen. So, I mean, hopefully a big flock flies by. A lot of shooting going on, but we haven't seen a thing, just a couple. So, once again, I got him going after 2 ducks. That's on the other side of this island. We moved spreads, moved spots. We was over there. Ducks wanted to land right here. So a lot of people hunt this island, and that's what we're doing. Let's see if we shoot them.